Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's another 30-minute meal for you guys. I have chosen a delicious recipe from my book 30-Minute Indian, which is packed with 30-minute meals. And you guys have been loving the 30-minute recipe ideas on the channel. So I'm back with yet another one, a nice, delicious spinach onion rice. I hope you're going to enjoy it. We're going to cook it in under 30 minutes and I won't waste any more time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any recipes. Also check out the membership where I've been sharing some behind the scenes and some little bits of my personal life. Right, so I am going to start by slicing up some onions. Going to start with two lovely onions and going to thinly slice these as thinly as I can. I am also going to slice up some lovely garlic. So my recipe says to use 2 cloves of garlic. I have no idea what I was thinking because 2 is never enough. I'm going to use 4 and just thinly slice this. Now in the book I have asked you guys to use ghee. You can use oil as well. I haven't got any ghee at the moment in the house, so I'm just going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let that heat up. Now that it is hot, add the onions. This does not take long, so I'm going to reduce the heat to low to medium and give it 5 minutes to soften. And in that 5 minutes, I'm going to prepare the spice mix in another pan. Right here, get it nice and hot. So take 4 to 6 black peppercorns. I know you might think that's very little, but for that amount of rice, this is perfect. Also 4 to 6 cloves. And then the main flavor is going to be this lovely fennel, a tablespoon. And you just dry roast it for a couple of minutes while the onions are cooking away nicely. So you can see it's nice and smoky. I can see a change in color in the fennel. Look, it's popping up as well. And you don't want to burn this. You just want to dry roast it. So that is done. It goes straight into pestle and mortar. You can use a spice mixer, but just going to pound this to like a fine powder. So in the 5 minutes that the onions were cooking, I have got my spice blend also ready. Oh, it smells so good. There it is, lovely spice mix. So we're back with the onions. You can see they have softened up nicely. They're just beginning to get some color. We add the garlic. And I've still got another minute, so I'm just going to wash up 250 grams of basmati rice. That's going to be plenty for 4 people. And just give it a nice quick wash. So the garlic has had a minute. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon and quarter of salt, teaspoon of chili, and the lovely spice mix that we've just got here. Give it a nice mix. Oh, it smells so amazing. I love fennel. Now the rice. I have got here 200 grams of washed up spinach leaves, which I do want to roughly chop because I don't want full big leaves. So I want it in smaller. I know it's all going to wilt down, but trust me, it does make a difference. Now adding the water, I've got 450 ml of boiling water. Now this is a bit less than normal because the spinach leaves are also going to release some moisture. I need to find a nice big lid for this. I'm going to cover and cook this for 15 minutes. And in that time, I'm going to prepare a lovely salad and a lovely raita to go with this. There we go. 15 minutes. So I'm just making a quick salad. Just got a pack of, I know there's spinach in this as well, but it's fine. That's what I bought a couple of days ago. It's got some rocket as well, and it's got some watercress, some lovely watercress, some nice rocket, and then of course a few spinach leaves. And I have got here a drained tin of chickpeas. Sprinkle on top. Going to chop up half a cucumber. And I'm preparing all of this while the rice is cooking, so I'm not using extra time. I'm going to chop up one red onion. So that's the salad ready. Now a simple dressing, just 2 to 3 tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil. So my salt has gone a bit wet. Salt and pepper. Lemon juice and whisk. You want to emulsify this so it thickens up really nicely. Look at that. So it's not watery anymore. It's more drizzle. Good mix and your salad is ready. And now I'm just going to make a very quick raita. So for the raita, I have got some bundi. Now bundi is gram flour balls. You buy them ready-made. You can make them at home, but this is not something I will go through the trouble of making for a raita. You can buy packets of this, which is what I've done. Easily available in Asian supermarket. First up, yogurt. Get some natural yogurt in a bowl. So I'm making it for 4 people. I'm going to add some few things. So 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chili, and 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. Now for some water. Now this is something you can make in advance and put it in the fridge till it's time to serve, because this is lovely when it's chilled as well. And right now the bundi is quite crispy, whereas if you let it sit in the yogurt for a bit, it goes nice and soft. I love it both ways, crunchy and soft. So that should be enough for 4 people. Mix. And that, my friends, is the raita ready. Raita is ready, salad is ready, and my timer has just gone off and the pulao is ready. Okay, let's bring the rice over. So here's your spinach onion rice, bundi raita, a lovely salad, and written recipe can be found in 30-Minute Indian. I will leave the links in my description. Let's put it back where it belongs. Right, let's plate this up. So whenever you're making a pulao type dish, always use a fork to fluff it up first. It smells so good. And here it is, a delicious spinach onion rice with salad and raita. Complete meal ready in less than 30 minutes. Now let's eat this gorgeously healthy, vegan, delicious, quick meal that you can make any day after work. You just have to have the ingredients. It smells really lovely and fresh with the fennel, the raita. I'm so hungry. Beautiful. You've got a bit of chickpea red onions from the salad. If you have any leftover, this is a great packed lunch. So I hope you'll try it. Let me know your thoughts. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you back with another new recipe very soon.